doesn't love a 3-in-1 product? I know I do. So that's why I created this one. So this has a highlighter, a blush, and a contour all in one. Let me show you how to use it. So using this brush set, any like really dense, nice brushes will work well. I'm going to start with this one first, nice fluffy. We're going to do our contouring first around the face. So we're going to use our darkest contour right here, and we're going to go around the hairline. So I'm doing this because around here especially because I have a large forehead, so I want to make that a little bit smaller. Thank you any way I can. Plus it also gives you naturally what the sun would do when it's hitting your face. So hey, it even acts like a little bit of, you know, a bronzing action as well. So you're going to go around the hairline, right there at your cheekbones, and then I'm going to use that right at the jawline, all the way around. Who doesn't want a snatched jawline? I know I do. And also underneath here. Yes, please. Let's get rid of any type of chin we have. This is just going to lift everything, contour everything, and easily. So there you have it. Now we are going to go in with our blush. And we're going to go right here and right around, just because it's going to look a little more natural when you take it up too. So there you go with that. We're using the same blush. You can even get a little dab on here. Natural, natural. Then we are going to go ahead with our highlighter. Using this brush, we're going to highlight all the places we want to highlight. So we want to lift here, highlight here, do that. Then we're also going to get down the bridge of the nose. A little bit right here. A little bit on the nose here. Now, this is my favorite. We're going to highlight right above that cheekbone, right on top of that blush, and a little bit above as well. Look at that nice, pretty highlight we do here. I do this a lot. I'm working with models for that little natural dewy beauty. There you have that. And then if you want to go in, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to contour the nose a little bit. So. Using the medium brush from the Trio collection, I'm just going to go down the sides of my nose, and I'm also going to lift the tip of my nose up by just contouring right there. And there you have it. So easy. And then I'm going to go in here just to do a little bit of contour around the eyes as well. This is so quick and easy. Throw in a little mascara, and get a little lip and a little eyeliner. You got a full natural beauty look, but so simple and easy. This 3-in-1. I hope you love it as much as I do. For this clean beauty product, as well as others, you can go to shhcosmetics.com. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. And please like and subscribe and share if you do. Bye!